What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. And listen, this is another Vox video. I don't know how many Vox videos I ain't dropped for y'all, but there's no way for me to actually be paying people to just fake some stuff. This is real deal, Holyfield. People really tapping in, getting their lessons, really learning about every method, every credit lesson, everything that they need to know that's going to help them with their financial freedom. Let them know what you paid for, let them know what you learned, and if it was worth it or not.
Yo, what up, man? I need to tap in with my boy King Hussle. He real legit, man. Real humble guy. But yo, I paid $600 for the unlimited gym, and then I paid $300 for the skip the line. You feel me? He taught me everything I need to know. I've been seeing all the other vouchers, so I knew I had to be a part of it. And I'm really happy that I tapped in with my guy.
Did I teach you about the Cash App glitch?
Yeah, he showed me every step I needed to know.
It makes sense, right? It's real easy, right?
Definitely makes sense.
Did I teach you about the live cards?
The live cards too.
What site we go to get the money off the cards?
We go to Amazon.
I will ask you, what L word we use to get the money off? You probably don't remember.
I do remember.
What's the L word?
London.
Hey, see what I'm saying? Listen, I'll ask this question every video to let y'all know that I'm actually teaching people the sauce. Actually teaching people how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, do these methods. Actually do what y'all see other people doing this, get in the bag. Ain't nothing fake. Ain't nothing hoaxed. Ain't nothing premeditated. Listen, let me show y'all this is really, you know what I mean? Like, y'all see at the top that this really, you know what I'm saying? Like, this real life Telegram. Boom, y'all see what it is. Make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all FaceTime 101 on Lemon Gems. Even tapping in with the crypto tour and get y'all in-person Lemon Gems. Because I guarantee you, I'm going to teach you how to work smarter and not harder. I'm going to teach you how to get the bag and stop being sad. Either you're going to hate or you're going to come get a dinner plate. Easy as that. 600 FaceTime 101 on Lemon Gems or tap in with the in-person Lemon Gems crypto tour. Easy as that, and I guarantee you're going to learn how to get the money. It's your boy King Hussle, another Vox video, and I'll see y'all at the next. Peace.